Hi everyone. So today we'll be learning how to add the decimals. So we learned rounding off the decimals in our previous class. So today we'll be learning how to add them. Okay. So one very important thing to remember whenever we add decimals is align the numbers by the decimal. So what does that mean? Okay. So if we are adding these two numbers, we have 1, 7, decimal 6 and 2. Okay. Then we have add 8.193. So now what a lot of people do is they align the numbers. Okay. So what they end up doing is 17.62 8.193. So they align the numbers, which is not correct. Okay, we have to align the decimal. So we align the decimal. How many numbers before the decimal? Just 8. Okay, and rest 3 numbers are after the decimal. So this is very important to remember when we are doing the addition. Okay, we have to always align the decimal. Okay, so now we can do the addition. So here, because we know we've learned in our previous class that ending zeros after the decimal do not make a difference in the value. They don't hold any value. To make it simpler, we can just directly add 0 to make 3 digits on both the sides. Okay. So 0 plus 3 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. We carry over 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus the carry over 8. And then 7 plus 8 is 15. 1 carry over and then 2. Okay. So we have 25.813. Okay. Now let's do another variation. So these two numbers are given and we've done the addition. So now if we are given, round these numbers to ones position. Okay, and then perform the addition. Okay, so for 17.62, which is the ones position? 7. Okay, so now after we do the rounding of, what does it become after 7? It's greater than 5, so it becomes 8. So it becomes 8 plus, and here the ones position is 8, but the number after it is less than 5, so it remains 8 as is. Okay, so we've rounded both the numbers. So 8 plus 8 is 16, 26. So why we've done this? To show it's similar numbers. So if we try to round off directly the answer to ones, here this is the ones position and this is greater than 5, 5 or greater than 5, so this will become 6, so it becomes approximately 26. And here also, if we've rounded off the numbers separately, it has given us the same answer. Okay, so rounding off is not necessarily changing the values. So rounding off is bringing it to the closest whole numbers or less number of decimal places as possible. Okay, I hope everything's clear. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.